welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I am Cara J, and on this channel we get into everything fashion and beauty related. I also do a little bit of lifestyle videos and vlogs, so if that's something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe down below. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified when I upload a video. It is now February 1st, so that means a new month, new fresh start, and we're gonna be pulling out these videos back to back to back. But yeah, definitely go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so that you're notified when I do upload another video. So today's video is a little different, but I did decide to go ahead and film me unboxing my new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and I am excited, you guys. I've been wanting this phone forever. But of course I do have the 11 Pro Max, so I didn't know if I wanted to upgrade, and of course there's not much of a difference, but because I'm an Apple fanatic, I had to go out and get it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and unbox it today. And also during that unboxing, which this is the next day, but during that unboxing I did not have any accessories, no case or no screen protector, but I had a package from Amazon coming later that day, and it arrived and I got my screen protector. And then I also rushed out to Target and picked up this case, which, you know, they didn't have too much of a variety of cases, but I needed something right then and there so that I wouldn't drop my phone, and I will be collecting cases because that's what I do with every phone. If that's something that you're interested in watching, just go ahead and give this a thumbs up, and that'll let me know that you guys are interested in seeing these type of videos on my channel. And yeah, so if you are interested in seeing me unbox my 12 Pro Max, just go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, today is finally the day, you guys. I'm gonna be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max with you. I just received it today and I was so excited. I was just tracking it and it finally arrived. So I figured I'll do an unboxing with you guys. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer. This is the only time I could film, so you may hear my daughter in the background. And right now I'm kind of out of breath. Because I literally ran downstairs to get my phone so I could turn on the camera and go ahead and record this for you guys. So yeah, this is the box. That's the box right here. Oh, and excuse my nails, I do need a rebase, so excuse my nails, but yeah, I'm gonna be getting a rebase soon. Covered up my address, but yeah, this is what it came in, and I do have T-Mobile, as it says right here, so I have T-Mobile. Yeah, let's just get started opening it. I have my scissors right here, and let's see. Now in the comments, you guys, let me know what phone you guys have, or if you're gonna upgrade, because I'm gonna give you guys a little backstory. I actually didn't know if I was gonna upgrade. Hold on for a second. But I didn't know if I was gonna upgrade because I just bought the iPhone 11 Pro Max in the summertime of 2020, and I did a bunch of research like on YouTube to see if there was any difference on the phone, and to be honest, there wasn't really a difference from the comparisons that I seen online. So I'm like, do I really need this phone? Do I really need this phone? But the thing about me is I'm such an Apple fanatic, you guys. You don't understand. I'm such an Apple fanatic, and every time it seems like they get me. Every time they come out with a new phone, a new something, and it interests me, I'm like, yeah, I need it. I need it. I need it. I don't have no like control when it comes to buying Apple products. I'm like, yes, I need it. Just give it to me now. But yeah, so that's a little backstory, guys. I just got the iPhone 11 Pro Max 2020, the summer of 2020, and you know, there's nothing wrong with my iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's in perfect condition. Matter of fact, I'm filming on it right now, and there's nothing wrong with the phone. It's just like, Cara, do you really need a new phone? And for me, the answer is yes. Give me it. I want it now. By the time a new phone comes out, you guys, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get it, by the time a new phone comes out, I will already have this paid off. So that's the good thing about it. I decided to get it early. Now I am pretty late on the bandwagon of getting the iPhone, because it did come out October, or did it come out November of last year? I don't know, I think October. But yeah, I am a little bit late, but like I said, I was debating on if I wanted to get this phone or not. I don't even know why I got this phone, you guys, but I'm hoping it's everything. Like, I hope it's better camera, better quality. And to be honest, it's supposed to be a slight bigger, I don't know, but we'll see. So yeah, so there is the phone in the box. Just gonna take it out. Now I am behind the camera, so it is kind of hard to do this. So we'll move this to the side. Oh my God, look! But it is kind of hard to work around the camera without bumping the camera. Look. Can you guess what phone I have? What color? Can you guess what color? Okay, so I did get it in, let's see if you could see it. No, you can't really see it, but I did get it in the silver, you guys, and I got 128 gigabytes, so 128 gigabytes. So yeah, let's just get a little moment of the box. It has iPhone here on the side, and on this side it has the Apple logo. I mean, I'm pretty sure we all know by now what the iPhone box look like. Oh, but there is something new about the box, you guys. If you could tell, it's a little slimmer. Like, it's not as thick. I think it's probably like half the size of, you know, if you get the 11 Pro Max or down. And that is because Apple did not include a charging box, which is crazy to me. It blows my mind, because you're paying this much for a phone and you get no charging box. It's like, what about the people that switch from Android phones, you know? What about the people that switch to Android phones and they've never had an iPhone in their life, so they never had a charger? It's like, Apple just thinks everybody is an iPhone user, I guess, but it sucks for those people, because they literally got to go out and spend extra money to buy the charging box or charging brick. But yeah, let me shut up and go ahead and open this, because I can talk on and on and on about it. I am not a techie person, okay? I just love unboxing things, and you know, I want to go ahead and share that on my channel. But yeah, let me shut up and go ahead and give you this moment, because this is the best part about Apple products. Wow. Okay, let's see. Go ahead and open her up. Oh my God. Yes, honey. That silver, or it's really white, but yeah, that silver white on the back, silver on the side is bomb, you guys. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. Okay. Now I heard the sides, since they're so shiny, they just finger magnets, but it's okay. We'll have a case on it, which I didn't get any cases yet, but I ordered some from Amazon, and hopefully they'll come soon, and I'll maybe get on here again and show you guys some cases that I got for it. Let me know down below if you want to see that video, or maybe like a what's on my iPhone or something like that. Let me know if that's something you guys are interested in. I don't know if people still watch those kind of videos, but sometimes I do, just to see, you know, people's cases and what they have on their phone. But yeah, that's the phone. Let's put that to the side. And this is the box. This is literally all you get in the box is the cable, no charging brick, and then you get a pamphlet, and it's smaller than usually. It's like half the size of the last one, the last iPhone. But here is the Apple sticker, and you get one Apple sticker. But yeah, that's cute, a little packaging that it comes in. They could have skipped out on putting the Apple stickers and things like that in the box, but as far as the charging brick, I'm like, come on, Apple, you really had to take that out the box. All right, so yeah, that's just the box. Now let's get on to the phone. Look at that. Ugh, I can't get over it, and it's kind of heavier than my 11 Pro Max. It's a little bit heavier, but yeah, let's go ahead and take this off. Oh, and the last phone I had, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, had, I think, a clear little cover. Now this is white, so that's different. Okay. Wow, you guys, this phone is so cute. It's pretty good quality. It's getting kind of bright. Okay, so yeah, that's the phone. Let's go ahead and power the phone on. There we go. There's the Apple logo. Yeah, you guys, let me know what phone you have in the comments. I'm curious. There's the hello, hola. We're gonna set this up real quick. Let's do English, United States. I hope you guys could see because it looks like it keeps changing lighting on me. Hold on one second. Okay, so quick start. I can't really do the quick start, so let's just set it up manually right now. And then let me go ahead and put in my Wi-Fi. 1 second. Got my Wi-Fi on the phone. We're gonna go to next. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. Hopefully it don't take a long time. Okay, there we go. Then continue. It says Face ID. I'm gonna set up later. Passcode. Do not use. Do not use. Okay, let me put in my Apple ID. Okay, you guys, so it went to this screen now. I'm gonna go to agree, and then customize settings. It says keep your iPhone up to date. Continue. iMessage and FaceTime, not now. I'll set up all this later. I just wanted to show you guys, just go through everything. Yeah, so disable location, Siri, set up later, and then set up later, don't share. Can you guys see that better? I don't know. We'll go to continue, leave it on light mode. I'm not really a fan of dark mode, especially since I have a lighter color phone. If you guys have the darker phone, it'll probably look right, but for me, I like the light mode. It just brightens everything up. Okay, continue. So it says display, zoom. I usually go for the zoomed, but yeah, let's continue. Welcome to iPhone. All right. Okay, yeah, so that is pretty much it. And of course it doesn't have any of my information or anything on it because I haven't set it up that way. I just wanted to show you guys what the iPhone 12 Pro Max is looking like. There's the back again. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of quick, a little quick unboxing. I'm not a tech person, but you know, just wanted to unbox it with you guys. But yeah, let me know in the comments below what phone that you have, if you're going to upgrade, what you think about the iPhone 12 series launch. But yes, pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoy, and I will talk to you guys later in the next video. Bye.